Marshalltown Brick Trowels are professional quality, designed for durability and optimal performance. Each brick trowel is forged from a single piece of high carbon steel and polished to perfection. There are no welds that could fail here. Our heat treatment brings the metal to the ideal level of hardness and flexibility. There are three main blade shapes: Philadelphia, London, and wide London patterns. The Philadelphia pattern is better suited to laying block because it allows for more mortar on the blade. The London pattern is the standard for laying brick. The wide London is great for bricks or blocks. We offer many blade lengths and widths to fit your needs. The blades are taper ground and polished for good handling and finesse. The handle rise is set to a consistent angle for the same hang and balance on every tool. We offer a standard or a low rise version. Choose any of our high quality handles made from DuraSoft, DuraCork, plastic, wood, or leather. There are no surprises when you use a Marshalltown brick trowel. Our consistency is unmatched, and each trowel is as great as the last.